My dear grade 11 student, so we are going to discuss some past paper questions regarding the session at the lesson arithmetic progression, right? Arithmetic progression. Let's discuss some past paper question, 2 or 3 past paper question, because that may be very helpful for your term test, right? Look at this one. What are the basic equations? Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. If you need to find the number of terms, so you can use Tn equal a plus n minus 1d. So Sn, there are 2 equations for the Xn. So that means if you need to find the total, total. So Tsn equals to n divided by 2, right? N divided by 2, 2a plus, right? N minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then what is the second equation? Second equation, Sn equals to, right? Sn equals to, what is the second equation? Sn equals to n divided by 2, then a plus l. N divided by 2, a plus l. Arithmetic progressions are there. So let's try to discuss at least 2 or 3 past papers. First, I'm taking Southern Province paper. Now I'm going to share the screen with you. Look at this one video. Now I'm going to share the screen with you. Southern Province paper 2024. Southern Province paper 2024 second term test. Right, නියමයි. චුට්ටක් බලමු අපි. The figures given below are the first 3 stages of wireframe of regular hexagonal shape, right? So that means 1 cm, right? Okay. If the length of wire used to make the first wire frame is 7 centimeters, right? First 7 centimeters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. So you can clearly see 7 centimeters are there. Right. Then find the length of the wire used to make the second wire frame. Right. Let's see. 2024 Southern Province paper. 2024, right? Southern Province. So let's take what are the terms. How many centimeters are there, Patio? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters are there. Right. 7, comma. Let's write down the progression. අපි මුලින්ම progression එක ලියාගමු ලස්සනට. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters are there. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Look at this one. So each side equals to 2, right? 2. So that means 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 1 centimeter. So that means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 plus 1, 13 centimeters, right? Altogether. So how many centimeters are there? 7 centimeters. And this one equals to 13 centimeters, right? Let's see. 3. Now this time, then each of the side equals to 3 centimeters. Then 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 plus 1, 19. So that means 19. You can clearly see the progression 7, comma, 13, comma, 19. Right, very good. So you can clearly see the progression. This is the arithmetic progression. Let's quickly move to the questions. Right, let's quickly move to the questions. Patagalan pedu questions. If the length of the wire used to make the first wire frame is 7 centimeters, find the length of the wire used to make the second wire frame. That means, what is the answer for the first question? Second wire frame for 13 centimeter required for the second wire frame. 13 centimeter required for the second wire frame. Now you need to do that one before me, right? Then you can check your answers with me, right? That is the thing you need to do, right? You need to try to do just one, right? Then before me, if the wire needed to construct the nth wire frame, then we need to show that Tn equals to 6n plus 1. So we need to show that Tn equals to 6n plus 1. We need to show that one. Right, let's take. Then our target is to show this equation. So I'm taking A equals to first term, A equals to 7. D equals to second term minus first term or post term minus pre-term. So that means second term minus first term, 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7, D equals to 6. Then N, we don't know the value, so they're asking for the N, so N equals to N. Then substitute. So what is the equation? You need to memorize those equations, Patio. මතක තියෙන්න ඕන නැත්තම් කරන්න බෑ හොදේ. A equals to 7. N minus 1 means N minus 1. D means D equals to 6. Right, look at this one. 7 plus 6 times N, 6N minus 6 times 1, 6. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. 1 plus 6N. You can clearly see, so we can easily get the answer. Very easy, right? Quickly. Tn equals to 6n plus 1. Very easy, right? So we can get the value Tn equals to 6n plus 1. Tn equals to 6n plus 1. Right, so that one is very clear. Shall we move to the third one? Shall we move to the third question? Right, look at this one. Third question. Look at the third question. If the length of wire needed to construct the last wire frame is 145 centimeters. If the length of the wire needed to construct last wire frame is 145 centimeters. So last wire frame is 145 centimeters. That means that you find the number of wireframes constructed. So that means, so this is the progression, no? This is the progression, no? So this is the progression, so they can continue the term. What is the last term? Last term means 145 centimeter is the last one, right? So last one means 145. So that is the thing we need to take that one from the question. Wire need to construct the last wire frame is 145 centimeters. They are asking how many terms are there? How many terms are there? How many terms means you need to find the value of n. You need to find the value of n. How many terms means you need to find the value of n. Right? How many terms means you need to find the value of n. So let's try to find the value of n. So n means question number 3, then Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So look at this one, very important. Tn, we don't know, but we know A equals to 7. N equals to n. We don't know the value. We don't know how many terms are there. අපි දන්නේ නැහැ කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා. So therefore we need to take n equals to n. But we know Tn, n term. Tn means n term. Tn equals to 145. But we know Tn equals to 145. But we know Tn equals to 145. Then D value already given. D equals to 6. D equals to 6, very easy. So Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn means that you're 145. 145. A equals to 7. N minus 1 into D. D means 6. 145. 7 plus 6 into. Now look at this one. 6 into n. 6n. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. 145 equals to 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. 1 plus 6n. So plus 1 moving to other side. Plus 1 convert into what? Plus 1 convert into what? Minus 1. Minus 1 equals to 6n. 6n equals to 144. Dividing both sides by 6, n equals to 24. How many terms are there? 24 terms. 24 terms are there, right? So that is the question they're asking. 24 terms. Look at this one. Find the number of wireframes constructed. 24 wireframe constructed. 24 wireframes. 24 wireframes constructed. Right? 24 wireframe constructed. Right. Last part. So you can pause the video, and if you need to write it down, so you can do this one, right? Okay. Last one. Look at the last one. Show that a wire of length 18 meter is not enough to make all the above wire frame. Anna balanna. All the above wire frame. I'm going to clear the first and second parts, right? Now they are asking for show that a wire of 18 meter not enough to make all the wire frames. All the wire frames mean Petio. All the wire frames means total value. How to find the total value? How to find the total value? Sn. Let's analyze the information. A equals to 7, D equals to 6, N equals to how many terms are there? N equals to 24. In addition to that, we know last term equals to 145. Last term equals to 145. We know the last term as well. We know the last term as well. Right? We know the last term. Therefore, we can apply that equation Sn equal n divided by 2 a plus L IO. N divided by 2 a plus L. So we can apply this equation. We can apply this equation. So that one is very easy. N equals to 24. A equals to first term 7. L equals to last term 145. That's all. Sn equal n divided by 2. 24 divided by 2. A means 7. 7 plus 145. 24 divided by 2, 12. 7 plus 145, 152. 152 multiplied by 12. 152 multiplied by 12. 12 into 2, 24. Remaining 2. 12 into 5, 60. 60 plus 2, 62. Remaining 6. 12 into 1, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 1,824 centimeters. 1,824 centimeters. 1,824 centimeters means how many meters? 18.24 meters. So more than 18. More than 18. Therefore, 18-meter cable is not enough, right? Sorry, 18-meter length is not enough. Meter the hatak madi. Why? What is the reason? 18.24 meters are there. So therefore, so we can write down the answer, right? We can write down the answer. 18.24 greater than 18. Therefore, 18-meter wire length is not enough. Is not enough. Right, okay. So that's the thing. Right? So that is the Southern Province paper arithmetic progression question. I think this one is very clear to you, right? If you have any question, just drop me the WhatsApp message. I will explain that one to you. Right, okay, video. Let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next question. Look at the second one. Second question. So this is the paper. This question is little bit different. Provincial departments or Northwestern Province. Northwestern Province 2019. Northwestern Province 2019, right? Northwestern Province 2019. So that question is little bit different. Let's try to do that one. 15th term of a geometric progression. This is regarding the geometric progression, right? Okay. Let's try to do that one later. So we are going to discuss some arithmetic progressions, right? I need to discuss some arithmetic progressions. Let's continue, right? Western Province paper. Let's try to take Western Province paper. Yes. Second term test papers 2022, 2023. Second term test paper, grade 11. Western Province. Let's try to do this one. Right, okay. Then you can see that one. Western Province 2022. Western Province 2022, 2023. Right, okay. In arithmetic progression, right, I can do the first part, a type of most growing twice. So second part is for the geometric part. I will do the first one. In an arithmetic progression, first term is 2 and 12th term is, right, look at this one. First term is 2 and 12th term is 35. Find the common difference. So many questions are there. Let's try to do this one. Stop balloon video. Western Province 2022. Western Province 2022. Right? First one. Let's try to identify the data given in the equation, right? In arithmetic progression, first term is 2, 12th term is 35. First term is 2. A equals to 2. 12th term is 35. 12th term. 12th term is 35. Right? 12th term is 35. 12th term is 35. 12th term. 12th term means T12. T12 equals to 35. So they're asking the common difference. So they're asking the common difference. Nay, they're asking the common difference. So that one is very easy. Right. Maybe one video. T12. Look at this one. Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the n, no? So n equals to 12. So n equals to what is the value? 12. So Tn equals to 35. Instead of Tn, we can substitute 35. A equals to 2 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1 into D. D, we don't know the value D. So we are going to find down the value D. So we are going to find down that one D. So we don't know the value, right? 35. Let's simplify this one and try to find the value D. මේක පැටියෝ මෙතනින් චුට්ටකට stop කළා මේක තනියම කරන්න try to get the value D, right? 35 equal 2 plus D into 12, D into 12, 12D minus D into 1, D. Or we can easily do this one. 12 minus 1 equals to 11, 11D, right? 11D. 12 minus 1 into 11, 11 times into D, 11D. Plus 2 moving to other side. So plus 2 moving to other side. So minus 2, 11D. 35 minus 2, 33 equals to 11D. Dividing both sides by 11. 11 to 11 patas. Right, 33 patas 11, 3, then D equals to 3. D equals to, what is the value of D? What is the value of D? Equals to 3. Common difference equals to 3. How easy those questions are there, so you can get the full marks. You can get the full marks, right? Try to do this one. D equals to 3. Right, let's quickly move to the next part. So what is the next part? Find the sum of first 25 terms of the progression that is obtained by removing the terms in the odd positions. Find the sum of the first 25 terms of the progression that is obtained by removing the terms on the odd positions given progression, such as first term, third term, fifth term. Likewise, we need to remove the terms. Right, okay. Let's try to do this one. Find the sum of first 25 terms progression that is obtained by removing the term on the odd positions. Wait. So this one is very clear now. D equals to 3. Now look at the progression. A, 2. D equals to 3 now. What is the next term? A plus D equals to 5. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Then what is the next term? 8. What is the next term? 11. Likewise, terms are there. Now we need to remove the odd positions. First one is odd. So we are going to remove this one. Third one is odd. So we are going to remove this one. Likewise, we need to remove the odd positions. So that means what is the new progression? 5, 11, blah, blah, blah. So that is the new progression. In our new progression, A equals to 5, D equals to 11 minus 5, D equals to 11 minus 5 equals to 6. N equals to 25. So that means Sn equals to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N divided by 2 means 25 divided by 2, 2 into a, 5 into 2, 2 into a means 2 into 5 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 24 into 6. 25 divided by 2, 5 into 2, 10 plus 24 into 6, 6 into 4, 24, remaining 2, 6 into 2, 12 plus 2, 14. 144 plus 10, 154. 25 divided by 2 multiplied by 154. 2 divided by 2, 1. 154 divided by 2, 77. 25 into 7. 25 multiplied by 77. 7 into 5, 35, remaining 3. 7 into 2, 14 plus 3, 17. 7 into 5, 35, remaining 3, then 17. 5, 12, 9. 1925 is the 1925 is the right. So that one is very easy. I think more than 5 marks for the questions, right? More than 5 marks, right? I will include what are the questions in the description list, right? So you can download the question, right? Okay. Hurry up, Pedro. Just quickly do this one. I'm quickly moving to our last question. I'm going to discuss only 3 questions per session, right? Only 3 questions. Right. Let's see the last one. So you can note it down. Last question, I'm going to discuss Royal College paper. I think this one is 2019 Royal College paper, second term, grade 11. Grade 11 means Lama, actually grade is 10 students also, they can also do this one, right? Grade 10 and grade 11, both grades, right? Arithmetic progression, no? Yes, let's try to do this one. First row of a concert hall has 25 seats. Just try to do this one. Right, quickly. Royal College 2019. I'm going to clear this one. Royal College 2019. Royal College 2019. The first row of a concert, the first row of a concert hall has 25 seats. 25 seats, right? First row has 25 seats. Second row, 4 seats more than the first row. So that means, have you ever seen the auditorium? So, seating plan of the auditorium, right? So that means 25 seats are there, more than 4. For the second row, 29 seats are there, more than 4. Just a seating plan of auditorium. Ne? Seating plan of the auditorium. Right, look at this one. 25. Let's identify the progression. 25, then 4 seats more than row before. 4 seats more than row before. So that means 4 seats more means 25 plus 4, right? So let's write down the progression. Let's write down the progression. 25, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Likewise, we can write down the progression. What is the first question? First question, they're asking, find the number of seats, find the number of seats in 10th row. Find the number of seats in the 10th row. Find the number of seats in the 10th row. Find the number of seats in the 10th row. How to find out the number of seats in the 10th row? A equals to 25, N equals to 10, D equals to second term minus first term, 29 minus 25, 4, right? 10th term, yes, that's all. Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A equals 25, N minus 1 means 10 minus 1 into 4. 25 plus 10 minus 1 equals to 9. 9 into 4. 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 25, 61 seats in 10th row. How many seats are there in 10th row? 61 seats. Is it clear? 61 seats. Harane? Right. Let's quickly move to the next one. Right. Which row has 73 seats? Which row has 73 seats? That means, so this is the progression. There is a term called 73. So they are asking which term? 7 term more, 8 term more, 9 term more, 11 term more. What is the term number? Term number means they are asking the n, value of n. So they're asking the value of n. A equals to 25, right? So we can take n, don't know, D equals to 4, but we know Tn, n term equals to 73. Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Dn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d, so we can do that one. So how we can do? Look at this one. Yes, very good. Tn, right, look at this one. Tn, a equals to 25 plus n minus 1 into d means 4. Tn means 73. 73 equal 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus n into 4, 4n minus 4 into 1, 4. 73 equal 25 minus 4, 21 plus 4n, 21 moving to other side, 73 minus 21 equals to 4n. 52 equals to 4n. Dividing both sides by 4, n equals to 13. 13th term. 13th term. 13th term means 13th row. So 13th row having how many seats? 73 seats. 13 වෙනි පේලේ seats 73 තියෙනවා. Right, okay. So we can move to the next one. Let's quickly move to the next one. Last one. Nimal says total number of 15 rows are sufficient to accommodate 945 people at once. Total means SN. Total means SN. Show that above statement is incorrect. Right. Let's see. Total number of 15 rows. Right. 15 rows means we need to calculate the total value for 15 rows. So we need to calculate the total value for 15 rows. A equals to 25, D equals to 4, N equals to 15. So they're asking Sn. Sn equal N divided by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? N equals to 15 over 2. 2 into A means 2 into 25 plus N minus 1. 15 minus 1 equals to 14. 14 into 4. 15 divided by 2. 25 into 2, 50 plus 14 into 4, 56. 15 divided by 2, 50 plus 56, 106. So 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. 106 divided by 2, 53. 15 multiplied by 53. 15 multiplied by 53. 15 into 3, 45, remaining 4. 15 into 5, 75 plus 4, 795 people can be accommodated. 700 and accommodate 9? No. According to the question, so they are saying that they can accommodate 945 people at once. No. So what is the maximum amount? 15 into 3, 45 remaining 4, 15 into 5, 75. Yes, 795. No, that statement is incorrect. That statement is false, right? Only 795 people can accommodate, right? Only 795 people can accommodate. So that statement is false, right? Just try to do this one. Then if you have any question, just quickly drop me the WhatsApp message. So if you have any questions regarding this one, so you can drop me the WhatsApp message. This is my number. Right. Thank you very much, Patio. So let's see you from the another question. Then I'm going to discuss 3 questions from one section. So at least 3 questions from geometry, 3 questions from construction, 3 questions from arithmetic progressions, like that. Right. See you again. Bye-bye. Good luck.